Hello everyone! In today's video, I will talk about how to add a service location to Kickserv and successfully sync it to QuickBooks. First, you need to create a new service location. The process is the same as usual. Go to Customers, then choose the parent address, click on Location and Contacts tab, and add the new service location. So, when the service location is created, you also need to generate an invoice for that service location, or else this update won't be reflected in QuickBooks. So, the next step is to go to the service location, then create a new job. Here we have it. You can schedule a work and then add a charge. I'm gonna add just a random charge, and then I'm gonna generate the invoice. Here we have it. You can sync it directly from the invoice by clicking in Sync with QuickBooks, or if you have more changes to do before syncing it, make all the moves you need to, and after, go to QuickBooks tab, approve the pending invoices, here approve for sync, and then you're gonna click in Sync with QuickBooks. And the sync is complete. So now I'm gonna go to my QuickBooks page and I'm gonna search for the customer. And here we have it. This is the service location that I create, and it appears as a sub-customer. Okay, this is all for today. If you have any other questions regarding QuickBooks or any other topic, leave a comment and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.